Tasty onion roast recipe in 20 minutes. Very simple and special recipe for rice and dosa. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add 2 sliced onion, 15 sliced shallots, half teaspoon salt. Saute it for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame until it becomes light golden color.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now keep it low flame and then we can add the masalas. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Then add 1 chopped tomato, some curry leaves. Mix it well. Close the lid and saute it for 6 to 7 minutes until tomato becomes soft. Stir in between every single minute to avoid burning. After 7 minutes, we can switch off the flame. Simple onion roast recipe is ready. You can serve this along with dosa or rice for best taste.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.